Taking an ID photo? New pointers participating in STAR this summer need to upload a good quality photo. Here are tips and tricks to make your photo shoot a successful one. First, get a friend to take the photo for you. It's difficult to take a good quality photo by yourself. Make sure you are choosing a good, solid, light-colored background. You don't want any distracting elements or textures. Also, ensure that there is good lighting and no shadows. Make sure to frame the photograph from the top of your shoulders to the top of your head, leaving a small gap on the sides and the top. Be sure that you are the only one in the photo, no pets or loved ones. The ID will be just for you after all. Remember to remove any accessories like hats, sunglasses, or headphones. However, you may keep head coverings if they are worn regularly and are for religious purposes. Be sure that you are centered in the photograph with your full face visible. The photograph also needs to be in portrait, not landscape. And if you need to crop your photograph, be sure to do so before submitting. Lastly, please take the photograph in color, not black and white. And don't use any filters. You're beautiful just the way you are. You're finally ready to upload your photo for your point card.